Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, respected teachers, the honorable judges, and all my dear friends. First of all, let us gratitude our thankful to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Almighty for His blessing, so we can gather here in good health today. Before I deliver my speech today, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Bianca Zaskia Faizara. I'm from Karijatu Junior High School. Today, I would like to talk about a topic that is very close to our daily life, especially as a student, which is social media issues among students. Everyone, we are currently living in a digital era where technology develops very rapidly. Almost every student today has an access to a smartphone and digital platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and WhatsApp. Social media has become a part of our lifestyle. We use it to communicate, share moments, find information, and even it support our learning activities. There is no doubt that social media brings many positive impacts. It allows students to gain knowledge from various sources, follow educational content, and develops creativity through videos, photos, and writing. Social media can also help students to build their confidence, express opinions, and stay connected with others, especially in this modern and fast-paced world. However, behind all these benefits, social media also presents serious challenges and issues that cannot be ignored. One of the main issues is addiction. Many students spend hours scrolling through social media without realizing how much time has passed. And this habit can ruin our study time, sleep patterns, and even it can decrease our concentration in class. Another major issue is the decline of mental health among students. On social media, students are often exposed to unrealistic standards of beauty, lifestyles, and successes. By seeing others' achievements or appearances can lead to feeling of insecurity and even anxiety. Some students may feel pressured to always look perfect, or they would like to gain likes and followers on social media, which can be very emotionally exhausting. In addition, cyberbullying has become a serious problem in the digital world. Unlike the traditional bullying, cyberbullying can happen anytime and anywhere you are. Hurtful comments, online harassment, and negative messages can deeply affect students' mental and emotional well-being. In some cases, victims may feel isolated, afraid, or they can lose their motivation to learn. Another issue that often appears is the spread of misinformation or hoax. You guys know it. Not all information on social media is true, right? But many students easily believe and share news without checking its accuracy. For example, have you ever heard a news on social media who's claiming there were 11 students in Indonesia died due to the free nutrition meal, or we used to call it MBG. This information was not true. The government and official authorities said there's nobody died caused by MBG. And this thing shows how dangerous misinformation can be, especially when we upload it without verification. Facing these issues, we cannot simply avoid social media because it has to be a part of our life. But what we need is digital awareness and self-control. As a student, we must be wise using social media. We should manage our time properly, prioritize our education, and use social media mainly for positive and beneficial purposes. We must also have to learn to respect others online. Before we start posting or commenting, we should think again about our words and action. Remember, behind every screen, there is a real person with the real feelings. By we being kind By we being kind and responsible, we can help create a healthier digital environment. Furthermore, the role of teachers, parents, and school is also very important here. They should guide students, provide education about digital literacy, and open encourage communication so students can feel safe discussing their online experiences. In conclusion, social media for me is like a double-edged sword. It can be very useful if we use it wisely, but it can also be harmful if we misuse it. So, as the young generation, we have the responsibility to use social media in smart, ethical, and positive ways. Let us make social media a tool to support our dreams, not an obstacle to our future. I think that's all. Thank you for your all attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.